Hey guys, Speech Jess here. I sent home this nature scavenger hunt earlier in the week. So for our YouTube video today, we're going to see what we can find and go on a scavenger hunt of our own. We are at the elementary school right now in my town, and we're going to look for, sorry, it's windy. We're going to look for flowers, birds, bees, branches, the sun, water, maybe in a pool, a lake, or a sprinkler, a butterfly, leaf, spider web, grass, rock, and a feather. So let's get started and let me know if you see something before I do. Okay, well, we're standing in a field, so I think we can cross off grass. I definitely see some grass, and I see another item on our list, which is a rock. Let's keep moving. If you see a flower or a bird, let me know. Oh, I think I see something. We found some flowers. We can check that off our list. Okay. What else do we need to find? Let's see. How's about the sun? It's behind the clouds a little bit, but you can see it right over there. I'm going to walk towards the trees and hopefully we'll be able to find a branch. Or a leaf. Okay, we have a bunch of different kinds of leaves actually. Okay. I don't know what kind of tree they come from, but we have some here, here, and right here. So we can cross leaves off our list. And we can also cross a branch off our list. You can see it right over there. We still have to find a bird, web, feather, butterfly, water, and a bee. It's possible that we won't find all of these on our scavenger hunt today. The bees might be sleeping. It looks like we have some hay back here, but that's not on our list. We can try to listen to hear for a bird chirping. I don't hear any. Usually they fly in the sky, and the sky looks pretty empty to me. All right, I don't have a pen with me, but we found a flower, we found a branch, we found the sun, we found a leaf, grass, and a rock at the start of our video. All right, guys, have a good weekend, and I hope you're able to do this at home and possibly find the bird, the water, the bee, or the butterfly. Have a good weekend. Bye.